Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean your AC blower without removing it, helping you improve the airflow while avoiding a complete disassembly. So before you even begin, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply switch off the power to the air conditioner, and then you just have to simply open the indoor unit or the air handler in order to basically expose the blower wheel, which is also called the squirrel cage fan, which is going to look something like this. So instead of trying to remove the blower, you need to use a soft brush or a vacuum with a narrow brush attachment in order to basically loosen and remove the thick layer of dust between the blower fins. Now you need to apply the no rinse evaporator coil cleaner, which can look something like this, or a cleaner that's specifically labeled as safe for the blower wheels. Then you need to spray a light even coat into the fins and allow the cleaner to break down the dirt. Now, after waiting for a few minutes, you just have to simply wipe away any of the loosened debris that you can easily reach with a microfiber cloth. Then simply restore the power and return the AC in the fan only mode for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then this is going to help dry the blower, and it will also remove any of the remaining cleaner from the fins. Just keep in mind that this method is ideal for the light to moderate dirt buildup. If the blower wheel is heavily coated with grease, mold, and the compacted duct, removing it for a deep cleaning will usually produce much better airflow and quieter operation. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.